Initiative started back in Denmark, and it's an octopus with its 8 tentacles, and a lot of premature babies are on feeding tubes, breathing tubes, and babies naturally grasp their fists and they pull at the tubes and different things. So by holding onto the tentacles, it's found that they're leaving their tubes alone, so their tubes don't have to be reinserted all the time. Somebody who's in the position that they have a premature baby that doesn't survive, and they're so tiny and it's impossible to find clothes that small, especially little white gowns or whatever. And some of the messages I've received from the parents over the years, of what it meant to them to have something, that, it was one less thing to worry about going through such a traumatic time.
After they were born, there's just the whole uncertainty, it's just the whole NICU environment. It's so different to anything I've ever experienced before, and it takes a while to get used to, like the first week or so in there. Myself and my husband, it's so overwhelming just to see these babies just like fighting for their lives in there. Even though you wouldn't think it now. We were lucky enough that these little men got 2 little octopuses each. They worked brilliant with them, and the 2 little guys loved them. Like, even now, we have them in where we feed them each night. They're like up on the little wall shelf, and they're looking up at them during the night when they're feeding. I can see them staring at them and things. So yeah, it's lovely to have, and it's brilliant to have them still as a keepsake that we'll have forever.
Do you know, normally when a baby's born, everybody in the family gets to go in and meet them and all. We didn't get to meet these 2 little guys until they were 9 and 10 weeks old, so that was really tough.
It's just scary and tough, and then to have the little comforts of the things like little tentacles for Tinies for them, and everybody in there is just amazing.
What do you think about that, eh? Yeah? No, didn't you?